Hello friends, how are you? Today we are going to see the simple kinematic animation of the car jack mechanism. Okay, first of all, as you can see here we have the base part. As you can see here, this is the base part. Here we have two lower pin, this is the first one and this is the second pin and the place in the front, and also we have a two lower pin placed in the back, as you can see here. Then we have the two lower arm placed in the front and two lower arm placed in the back, total four lower arm. Then we have the threaded rod. As you can see here, this is the threaded rod. Let me show you perfectly. Okay, this is the threaded rod. Okay, the role of this threaded rod is to convert the rotational motion, as you can see here, into vertical movement. Let me show you again the rotational movement into a vertical movement, allowing you to raise or lower the jack platform. And here we have the upper arm, the four upper arm, two placed in the front and two placed in the back. And finally we have the upper part that lifts the car, is called the lifting platform. This is the lifting platform, as you can see here. This is okay, this component is directly contacts the vehicle's lifting point and lifts the car when the thread rod is turned. As you can see here, when the thread rod is turned, it causes the mechanism to lift up and down, up and down. As you can see here, up and down. Okay, let me show you the front view and the back view. As you can see here, the threaded rod, arm and the base part and the upper part. Okay, let me do with you a simple kinematic animation. Okay, and now let me show you the animation that I did before. This is a simple animation on how the system can lift up and down, go up and down. Let me show you. Okay, first of all, let me start. This is the animation I did before. Okay, let me show you. For example, as you can see here, now going up. As you can see, the rotational movement is converted into linear movement. Okay, let me show you this animation again. Okay, using this view here, like this. As you can see, the arm, the threaded rod, and let me show you a final animation using a different position, as you can see here. Okay, if anyone wants the mechanism, you can simply put a comment below and I will send you the mechanism without any requirement. Simply all you need is to put a comment below or send me a message and I will send you the mechanism file. But I will remind you that this mechanism is made using SolidWorks software. Okay, this is all about our video today. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe and like to our channel to see our new upcoming video, and thank you for your watching.